Hello, this is Robin Hendry, the director of FEMA. I'm coming to you live from Manhattan to inform you of a biohazardous accident. Please do not panic. I'm here to give you an update of what is happening and what you can do to survive the situation. What we know at this time, it is caused by a biohazardous incident spill that has contaminated the water system. It has made people sick. Many felt dizzy, nauseated, and approximately 100 people just dropped dead or appeared to be dead because within 30 minutes they started moving around, staggering as if drunk, drooling, and trying to bite people. To repeat, this is a biohazardous accident in our water system, so please do not drink the water at this time, nor should you use it for bathing or washing dishes, not even if you boil it first. Do not give it to your pets. Only use bottled water. I repeat, only bottled water at this time. The individuals that are afflicted with this are dangerous. Please do not approach them. If there is one in your house, try to lure them into a room where you can lock the door. They are slow moving and don't seem to be able to climb upstairs. Do not let them bite or scratch you, as you may also become infected. Stay inside and lock your doors. If you must get supplies, try to stay clear of them. But I repeat, please do not go outside unless it's absolutely necessary. But put some sort of a white cloth on your roof, your door, or someplace where it can be seen if you do want us to bring you supplies. The roads in and out of Manhattan are off limits at this time. Please stay away. The National Guard and the police will stop you. We are trying to keep this situation contained until we have more information. The only way to stop this zombie-like situation seems to be to shoot or stab them in the head. Please do not attempt to do this yourself. Only if you are in do have to go outside. Again, please do not panic or riot. We will get supplies to you as soon as possible. You can also call the number that will be shown on the screen if you are in need of supplies and none have been dropped off. If you are outside Manhattan area, we recommend you have water, food, and medicine for 3 days to a week at all times. You can go to the CDC website and find guidance on the things that you should have on hand at all times. This concludes the emergency broadcast. Please follow the guidelines that we have set out and do not panic, do not riot. We will get supplies to you. Feel free to contact FEMA. Please have patience with us as many calls are coming in, and we will get to you as soon as possible. And stay safe. Thank you.